For our bank account program, you can read here that we have a couple of classes that we're going to be creating. One is branch banking, and you could think of this as being a branch location, like on the corner of San Gabriel and Huntington, right? That Washington Mutual there, that Chase Bank. So one branch banking object would be one physical location. And then we also have a client class, and each client object you could think of as a single person, right? And in branch banking, we have an array list of clients, and we're going to have 4 of them. And then we have a corporate office, right? And the corporate office has an array list of branch banking objects. Right. So then the first thing that you should do when you're faced with creating a program using Java is to draw out the hierarchy, right? The class hierarchy. And so when you do, you will end up with something that looks like this, right? So you're thinking, what is at the top? Well, at the top, we have the corporate object, okay? And then once we have the corporate object, then he has an instance variable that is in an array list of branch banking objects, right? And then we have in the branch banking object, we have an array list as an instance variable of a set of clients, right? So we got 1 client, 2 clients, 3 clients, 4 clients. And we're just testing out right now, so we have an array list of 4 branch banking objects, and each branch banking object has an array list of 4 clients. And so that's the mental picture that you should have when you're thinking about this project, right? It shouldn't be nebulous. It should be like, that's what you should be doing when you first see a program description. You should be thinking, okay, I have these classes, and they are all interrelated some way. So which class is an instance variable of another class? That's the first thing that you should be going through your mind. And then once you have that worked out, then you should draw out the class hierarchy here. And you should even write down the instance variables that each object has, right? So here we would say array list of branch banking, array list of clients, right? And then here we would have for each client the instance variables like first name, last name, username, personal account balance, business account balance, right? And then you'll have a much easier time fitting all of these puzzle pieces together.